Hey everybody, glad to see you all back. Today we're going to be making chocolate chip cookies. So first off, we're going to preheat our oven to 375 degrees. So while that's pre-making or preheating, we're going to get started. So the first step is to mix the flour, salt, and baking soda together in a separate bowl. So get those mixing. All right, so that's mixed up. We're going to set this aside. The next step is we're going to take the 1 cup of butter, which is 2 sticks. It's unsalted butter since we have salt in with the flour. And we're going to put our regular sugar, our brown sugar, and the secret ingredient, which is a vanilla pudding instant mix, all into this. So. And the brown sugar. And then we're going to beat this until it's creamy. That definitely looks good. So the next step is we're going to add the vanilla and the eggs. And the eggs are going to be added one at a time. And this is 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. And we'll use this bowl. Scrape down the edges before we add the next egg. Okay, so then the very next step is going to be adding the flour mixture gradually, so we're not making a dust cloud with the flour. Okay, and then our last step is going to be adding the chocolate chips. And this is 2 cups of chocolate chips. So now we can scoop them and get them in the oven. So we have our cookie sheet here, and I have my scooper. This is a Pampered Chef, I believe it is the medium. So we'll go ahead and scoop our cookies. And we want to try to place them about every 2 inches apart on the cookie sheet. With this cookie dough, you could add some chopped walnuts if you want, and if you did, it would be 1 cup of chopped walnuts. But today, we're going without the nuts. This is going to go into the oven for approximately 9 to 11 minutes until they're golden brown. So we'll start with 9 minutes. Okay, so in my oven, it actually took just over 11 minutes for the cookies to get the golden brown. Once you bring them out, you're going to transfer them over to a wire rack to let them cool. And then once they're cool enough to handle, you can definitely enjoy them. And if you have any questions or comments, leave them down below. and happy baking. And see you again in about a week.